This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to mute someone on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on my Letterboxd profile. Maybe you're over here somewhere else on the platform, maybe on the main page. To get to the profile, you just hover over the image of yourself and your username, and we click on profile. So to mute someone, there's no direct mute button, but there is a block button. I'll show you quickly how to do that. Obviously, you can get to someone's profile in lots of different ways. Let's say they've made a disparaging comment or something on your review. You can easily find the person through the review, but I'll just show you on the following section. Let's say I have a person here. I'm not obviously going to block them because I want to actually follow this person, but you could unfollow is the first step if you are in fact following them. But if you actually want to block them, you can click these three dots here and you can click block, and that will block that person. That will stop them interacting or seeing your content. You can report the member as well, obviously, if it's something that you feel a report is justified by. So there is no outright mute like there is on platforms like Twitter, known as X, and platforms like that. But we can do this block right here. So as far as privacy goes, I'll show you there's a few more things that you can do if you want to go a bit more kind of extreme when it comes to privacy. So again, on the main profile page, this is on desktop, principles apply on the mobile app, on mobile, cell phone, and so forth. We click on edit profile. So from here, you can actually remove your profile from showing on the member section. So if you untick this and click save changes, this will make you a bit more invisible. Also, for replies, we have this default can be overridden on individual reviews and lists. So replies, essentially, we can choose for this essentially means that no one can reply to our reviews. So for all intents and purposes, it's sort of very private. This is anyone can reply to reviews and content, and this is just friends, so people that you follow. So you can set any of those. So if you went if you set it just to you, that would make things a lot more private. And then one other thing you can do as far as the reviews go, let's say we're on a review, let's click into a review. So this is the individual review page that I've actually done of this film, Elevator to the Gallows, 1958. Really good film, by the way. So I'm here on the review page. This isn't like the main film page or anything of this particular film. And I can actually scroll down to the bottom and we see the comments, anyone can reply. We can change this on an individual basis. So I can do anyone, friends, which is just obviously people you follow, like I explained earlier, or just you, which makes it so that no one can reply. It's can be seen but not replied to. So that's what you can do. There's no mute, but I've shown you lots of different ways you can make your content more private and harder for people to comment on. If that's what you want to do, up to you. I'm not going to do that myself. And the main thing as well, like I say, no mute, but you can block people. So that's a nuclear option. If you need to do that, you need to do that. Hopefully you found this video on how to mute people on Letterboxd useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.